What up, neighbors? I am coming in because I wanted to do an unboxing of Firmoo. It is an eyeglass website that you can order from. And I went to, well, per usual, it is time for your annual eye exam. You go in and you think you got the insurance to cover everything you need, the lenses and the frames. Y'all, my darn insurance went up $50. So instead of paying the regular copay and then paying for the lenses, a copay on the lenses, the copay went up to $50 more. So now I have to pay $75 for lenses with a Blue Cross Blue Shield. So with that, that's $100 total for the $25 copay for the eye exam, and then your $75 for your lenses. The frames, I got an allowance on there, and the allowance is not that great because all the glass frames is over $150. Get what I'm saying? So if you got $150 and all the styles that you like is under or over $150, you can't afford that unless you're coming out of pocket $200 or $300, which I'm not trying to do. I pay too much insurance for that, okay? So I decided to go to Firmoo. And I had already went to Firmoo maybe like 3 years ago, and I ordered some glasses. But I did not get my prescription right, so they did not come out right because I got single vision at the time that I ordered them from Firmoo. Which these right here is a pair that I got from Firmoo, but they're only single vision. I need progressive, multi, okay? Multi lenses, I'm assuming. So I went on their website and I ordered some glasses, and I actually put my prescription in. I got my prescription at Lens Crafters and I brought it back and I put it in the Firmoo website. So, and it takes, I did that on the 25th of February and I just got them back today. So I tore into this box, but I said, let me go and do a video. I haven't looked at them yet. I tore into this box and I was thinking I was going to do an unboxing. So let's get started with them. I ordered 2 pair versus what I was going to order at Lens Crafters. My remaining balance would have been $252. Went to Firmoo website and got 2 pair with my prescription in for only $102. So they also had the buy one get one frame, not lenses but frame. So I bought 2 frames, and then I put my prescription in. The box came packaged pretty well. It was pretty tight. This is the box they usually come. This is the box that they came in. Now usually Firmoo, the last time I ordered, Firmoo was sent out eyeglass case, which looks like the world map, and with a little cloth, as well as the eyeglass toolkit. Those came, and I got like I got like 3 or 4 pair from Firmoo, and each time I ordered, I got one of these with the eyeglass kit. This time, okay, they came in a little cardboard box. Okay, this is how I'm taking it out with y'all. This is how it was packaged. This is a pair that I actually went on picked out. Okay, let's see. They are the purple ones. They are purple. I don't know if you can see it or it look purple, but they are purple. Let's try these on. Let's see, can I see on this computer? Okay. Let me see. Okay. They worked. I can see out of them, y'all. I can see far. I can see see near, and I don't feel dizzy when I get up like I do with these, because these are just these are light readers. Single vision are light readers. And when you put on readers, you can't, and if you got, like me, I'm nearsighted, so you can't see far with these on. They make you dizzy. But with these, let's see. I can read. Okay, so I'm assuming they got my prescription right that I put in here. Okay? And I like the way they fit. Okay? And I think they fit my face. What do y'all think? Give a thumbs up if y'all like this style here. Okay? Let's check out the next style, because I did order 2. Give me a minute, y'all. And I wanted a bigger frame. Okay. They flex it right there. And this pair right here was just hard plastic all the way across. But they are comfortable though, behind the ears. Okay, see that, y'all? The flexi. Ooh, I like these. These feel like I ain't got none on. And I think they fit too. What y'all think? I like these. I think I like these the best. Yes, I think I will be wearing these at work. Okay, let's see. Can I see out of them? I sure can. Okay. Not dizzy. Okay. And they usually send a cleaning cloth, but I guess they saying, too many people done caught on the Firmoo. Y'all, I really like these. So I guess I could donate these readers, because we got a place down here where you can donate your old frames or your old glasses, and they give them to the needy. So I got this pair and another pair that I can actually donate. I got a lot of them I can actually donate, because I can actually see up out of these, y'all. I can see far, and I can see close up. Yes, but yes, I think I'm gonna keep these on. And as y'all can tell, I like big frames because my face is round. Just round. So I figure rectangle will fit my face better. And I think that works for me. Okay. Now, with that being said, y'all, this is not sponsored. Believe me, I just thought I'd come in and do an unboxing with Firmoo. And I do like what I picked. I like that they got the prescription right. I do like that. And I like it that it feels so light. And it don't have that piece right there to put that dent in your nose, like the ones that lens crafters give you. They have the one that put the little dent in your nose. These don't. So they got them, but they plastic. And I like that. Okay. But yes, that is that. I thought I'd come in and show y'all what I got, what I ordered, how it fit, how it looked. What the website is firmoo.com. Just go on there, and they got all kinds of deals, all kinds of discounts. So if you're like me and you're stuck in an insurance that you pay every month a good amount of money, and then you still got to pay out of pocket just to get your glasses or your lenses, this will be a good place to go and shop for your glasses. Just make sure you put your prescription in the correct way, because I done tried that and messed up once, and that's how I got those single lenses. Okay, but anywho, that is that. And if y'all like this video, thumbs it up, share the video, as well as subscribe to the channel if you're coming in for the first time and you're an old neighbor and you're missing me. Go ahead and hit the like button. Y'all share it, share it, share it. And I got a couple more videos that I am going to be putting out, so y'all make sure y'all tune in and watch those that I do put out, because I did put down one for the tour of this room that I did, as well as It was another one that I put out. A tour of the room. Oh, my run yesterday. I did a run yesterday that felt so good. So I have two, well, this one right here make three. So if y'all get videos back to back to back, just support a sister, okay? And I will be coming in showing or doing an unboxing of my circuit machine. And get this, y'all, it's not a circuit machine. It's not circuit. I'm sorry, it's Cricut. It looks like it's spelled like circuit, but it's actually called a Cricut machine. So the thing is, I did not order the Cricut machine. I ordered a Silhouette Cameo 4. Okay, because the reviews was the Cameo was easier with the software to work with versus the Cricut. So when I get that Cricut, I will be doing an unboxing, and I will be showing you on camera the projects that I am doing with that Silhouette Cameo 4. Okay? And with that, I am going to say, y'all stay blessed, stay faithful, stay hopeful, and also be kind to everyone you meet or everyone you see. Just be kind. Okay? And with that, I am going to say peace.